So dope. Ooh. Hotness, hotness. Look at this. This is a full drift car.
Why so clean?
And it looks OEM. Like,
so clean.
that's crazy, right? This is a complete race car and it looks totally OEM as far as the engine. Yeah. This is how Japan does their shit. This is crazy. 2J baby. What? That's crazy, dude. Freaking Sylvia. 2J swap. 700 horse drift monster. Whoa, dude. This thing is so freaking raw. Funny enough, this was actually at the SEMA show in Vegas. Now it's back in Kyoto. Toyo, this look like R1Rs. They are R1Rs. Nice. White on white. Never disappoints. I love it.